Hello my friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Let's Style Collection. Today we talk about Turkish famous actress Hande Doğandemir, lifestyle, hobbies, biographies, affairs, real age, net worth and much more. Let's start the video. Her birth name Hande Doğandemir. Date of birth 22 November 1985. Present age 36 years old in 2021. Birthplace Ankara, Turkey. Years active 2009 to present. Actress, TV host and psychologist by profession. Zodiac sign Sagittarius. Alma mater Ankara University. Height 5 feet 6.9 inches. Weight 57 kilograms. Body type slim. Her eye color brown. Hair color is also brown. Ethnicity white. Marital status unmarried. Nationality Turkish. Let's start the hobbies. She is an animal lover. She likes swimming. She likes taking selfie. She likes traveling around the world. Let's start the social media facts. She is quite famous on Instagram, 2.5 million followers on Instagram. Her net worth $1 million approx. I hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for future update, like, comment, share. Take care. See you next video.